featuring the legendary Roots crew.
Universal Studios!
And now, here it is, Jimmy Fallon!
Welcome to The Tonight Show. You're here, you made it. This is the place to be. I'm your host, Jimmy Fallon, and this is the race through New York. This is very exciting, guys. In a few minutes, we're going to go head-to-head in a high-speed, action-packed race through New York City. You're going to see it all. You're going to see Times Square, the Statue of Liberty, the Empire State Building. But before we start, I have to tell you about some very important safety precautions. But I don't want to talk about them. That's boring. I want to rap about them. Do you know what I'm saying, Jay?
Yeah, Jimmy, I think you're saying you want me to rap the race through New York safety precautions.
That's right, Roots. Give me a beat.
If you're pregnant or your blood pressure's abnormal, I'm sorry, this simply isn't a suitable ride for you. Other people were unable to allow permission and those with various back, neck, or heart conditions. You better start to listen. It's risky business if you're prone to dizziness or any type of motion sickness. No videos, photos, recordings, going social is allowed. I hope I'm speaking loud and clear enough. You get this? You definitely should sit this one out. I have to say to you, if you have recent surgery or a condition is aggravatable by this race intervention, it's unsafe if you enter. Profaning is the simplest way to avoid being injured. If you're lucky enough to be allowed to take this ride, your arms, legs, heads, and hands must remain inside. Not to mention your feet. And keep your loose article safety stored beneath the seat. Information complete.
Oh! That is how you do it, Tariq and the Roots, everybody! That is how you do it right there.
Ew! Stop talking about that! I must start the ride!
I'm sorry. Who are you?
I'm Sarah, and in case you're wondering, it's S-A-R-A with no H, because H's are L. This is my lame stepdad, Gara.
And if you're wondering, that's G-A-R.
Ew, Gara, no one's wondering how to style it off.
Guys, you're not supposed to be here yet. The rest of the audience is still outside waiting to come in.
Yeah, fine. Let's get out of here. Garrett, take me to the gift shop.
All right, Sarah, but you're only getting one souvenir.
Ew, I want a t-shirt, I want a mug, I want a hashtag the panda doll, I want a basketball of Popeyes.
All right, let's just go. Catch on the flippity flop.
I love Popeyes.
I know you do.
I love Popeyes.
All right, guys, this is it. We're about to start. I'm going to go backstage and hop in the Tonight Rider. We're going to take a quick break while you head into the studio. I'm going to see you in a bit. Fun!
Welcome, audience members, to Studio 6B. As you enter the studio, please move all the way down your row, filling in all. Thank you. Good luck on the race.
Check. Take 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello? Hello? Come on in, everyone. Move all the way down your row and store any loose articles securely beneath your seat. Once seated, please make sure your lap is free of any obstructions before buckling your seatbelt fastened from right to left. Once your seatbelt is securely fastened.
All right, here we go. In 5, 4, 3.
And here he is, once again, Jimmy Fallon.
Hey, it is time for the race through New York. You know the course, you know the rules. First one back wins the Tonight Show Cup. Higgins, can you count us down, please?
Ready, set, let's go!
Tight pants. Try to smell the last. Okay, show me your move.
Anyone ask?
That home was already there. New York City. The lights, the sound. Traffic! What? You talking to me? Is he talking to me? Here we go. Times Square. I think I know my way around Times Square. No problem. Pardon me, come through here, brother. Excuse me. Hey, it's the Recon gal. Oh, it's on now. What took you so long?
Ooh, car! Are you guys superheroes?
No, but we do fly. Tonight, Ryder, engage flight mode.
Get you on the flippity slide!
Can't beat New York City pizza. Here, try slide. It's a pizza party. What else is good in 3D? Oh yeah, t-shirt cannons. One for you, and one for you, and one for you. Hey, these t-shirts look cool. We should sell these.
We're coming up on the East River in 1042!
Wait, hold your breath. Stay in school, kids. You get it? School. Yeah.
The Statue of Liberty!
Dogs from the moon. I'm winning the race. Fireworks.
It's a tight race as we head toward the world-famous Empire State Building!
Hey, there's hashtag agenda. Hashtag, why do you want to talk to the Empire State Building? And why are you 300 feet tall? No, hashtag, let them go. No, bad panda.
It's like detour, folks. We're on the moon.
Oh, hey, it's the Roots, the first band on the moon. We gig. James, can I get some thank you note writing music, please? Thank you, the moon, for turning regular old dirt into moon dust.
Autobahn! The space train!
Space train. I've heard about it. Once completed, it will be the first ever roller coaster from the moon to the earth.
Wait, once completed.
It's neck and neck as the racers approach the finish line!
Oh, so close. Hey, that's too close.
The audience wins!
I'm okay. I'm good. Congratulations, guys. You did it. You know I let you win. Well, that was so much fun. Come back and race me anytime. Have a great day and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Is it hot here? It's hot, right? Can we do that one more time? That was fun.
All right, guys, let's get out.
That's a wrap, everybody. Please be sure to check your seats for any loose items and make your way to the exit doors on the